Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Vishal Nengnong, manager jang Vespa Aprilia showroom, ka shadap automobile kabdan Maublay Shillong, ulapen pau bag Aprilia RS 457 kadega bait ka Kham Pher na Kiwei pat ki bait ki Kiwei ki company kilashna baddi hakari. Vishal lapen pau yakani haba batais panga tuk nega bait Aprilia RS 457 ka company Vespa kam na Italy kilashna ka hagarukam ka Kham Pher. Uliathu bahagani RS 457 bait kadon lajak kirong. Kaderu ka Shaka ka Kham Khlaiñ borbha kadon 457cc wat kador jo kagalong tang 0.9 holak tangka on road. Nagmuntag bekwa vantiet ulakan tubat uwe aripad ba maginwan sa shadap automobile kadon Maublay un batay benia tik patik ang biyaday bagani ka bait. Kumju ru bat Kiwei pat ki Shaka ka Vespa company ka di hagani showroom. Tat hadu mental yatu bagi dang di arpautuli nadu bla plat ya ka dangshan bagi bla thiet ka penpagu jing sngau hun hak bia de bagi ni ka bait.
Aprilia RS 457. Akin ka bike ni lightly ki colors mo racing stripe, prismatic black, or population light kaya yung big. Okay. Ka CC kaya South Spa San Junio. And ka PHP kaya South Junio. Mo. That means ka pickup kalong instant pickup. Martian tap the first gear. Martian yang gear accelerator kan bomb like kan race with. And thirdly, the Kiwei tires. Kani banadin kani 150. 150. Nakmat kani 110. More. And then you on short away. So Kiwei nakmat da Kiwei ka visor lu ka LED system. Okay, I kalong very iconic jong ka Aprilia. Very unusual. Hindi kong Kiwei ki bike kan. If you nakmat lu la so through it. And the turn signal lu kalong attached with the headlight. Come on. Adjustable side mirrors. Wing side mirrors. Okay. And punta the Kiwei instrument cluster yung matay. The lightly ki modes sa bike sport, eco, and then rain. So basically, the Piqua 100% power can use like a sport mode. Okay, and Piqua 75% eco mode banyad po sorke. Ma. and then 50% for the slab buntu. So that comes kit kali buntu. Apo ki lightly ki kini ki sport ki modes don ki traction lightly per 1, 2 and 3. Phila ban choose ki traction according to the linti kalong ko no. Secondly, la don hang ni ka trip, max, fuel, timing, lap timing kala don ba. Okay, and then fuel meter also. Hang ni pila bantep kat 9 kilometer kala iat ke kali ne hadin kat 9 kilometer ke kali ke don kamban service. Okay, and then ke engine punya ke temperature jong ke environment outside, and kane ke battery voltage. Thirdly, pila ban pe kane ke kilometer per hour ke speed. Okay, and then pila ban connect music calls through Bluetooth. Kadon ka wika app api have download na Play Store. Nang tu pila ban connect ka system ni, and then pila ban use GPS lo. Ne pila ban call do nang ni. Okay, so nang ta ngidon ki accessories. Apart from this, kani ka whole bike. Ngidon ki accessories lo. Air windshield nang ni. Ngidon ki clutch pun smooth the clutch ni. Ngidon ka tu ka hold jari. But then hopefully in the future kan sawan mat ke bike, kan sakhiu ka dor ke bike, ba kala ban man ke bike ke man change ke gear shift no. Kani ke chassis yoi, kani ke di aluminium. That means ka Khlaiñ ke engine tangma cool down nang ni ni. Jadi ke 6 gear speed manual, dual ABS ke ABS kilaban switch off lu tapi kuat untuk kilaban switch off. Akhirnya kita ki basics to kani ke bike. Tapi kuat ban the kilaban visit Shaka automobiles mobile, and gan bataya phi in detail ka torque jo kani ke bike, ka handling jo ke bike. And in fact, I test ride too. So please come and visit Shaka Automobiles and purchase your own bike, and you can ride like the wind. He actually ka booking ka last time in January 2024. Tangba ka vehicle par yo adu banai me yo ka test ride vehicle but ka display vehicle mo. And then ka retail is tang adu banai, let's say around last of June, 1st July going to the last time. Till date, we have already sold 20 numbers in Shillong. 20 numbers. And then recently, we tried to mention tayo. We had Aprilia 457 winter ride. Then it's Mayra. That side. And all the customers, bike, they are very much satisfied with the bike. So all in all, it's a beautiful bike and it's a powerful bike. And it's worth every penny, because the door jong bike du gaditang 100 lakh pro tingka on road compared to other bikes cross san lagi and kaduna ka cc jo ki brands kumway tamakani as per the brand, as per the cc ka price kalong ka best pala the price kan combo jo ka Aprilia India. So for more information, you can definitely visit our showroom or contact 811-980-7753 for more details. For Indian market, for the first time in India, produced in India, Aprilia RS 457, and ki manufacture for India and ki supply Europe, parts of Europe and USA, nang for India.